While cities are often seen as the engines of economic growth, rural areas are just as important in promoting sustainable and equitable development. Neglecting rural areas can lead to a widening gap between urban and rural areas, causing problems in both sectors. In Pakistan, 63% of the population lives in rural areas, which are mostly dependent on agriculture, livestock, small agro-based enterprises, and basic skill-based occupations. Despite their importance in terms of population, employment, and share in GDP, rural areas in Pakistan are plagued by low productivity, inefficiency, and stagnancy. However, there is hope for rural development through the Rural Integrated Development Model, or RIDM. The RIDM approach is a holistic one that addresses the economic, social, and environmental challenges facing rural communities. It involves a combination of different interventions such as microfinance, infrastructure development, capacity building, and community mobilization. This comprehensive, community-based approach aims to improve the standard of living and economic opportunities for people living in rural areas. Micro-infrastructure projects, microfinance, and rural integrated development programs are all important tools for promoting economic growth and reducing poverty in rural areas. To be effective, these programs must be designed and implemented with the specific needs and challenges of the local communities in mind. This requires working closely with local organizations and leaders to understand the unique strengths and weaknesses of the area and tailoring interventions accordingly. In terms of policy recommendations, a nexus of public-private partnerships of governments and development organizations should be established, which prioritize the provision of microfinance and implementation and monitoring of micro-infrastructure projects in rural areas. Initially, a pilot project may be implemented in a small number of selected model villages where an integrated package of rural development needs to be introduced. This package includes micro-infrastructure projects, provision of microloans for pesticides and high-quality seeds, and farm mechanization. In addition, cooperative farming for joint ownership of machinery and equipment like tractors, laser land levelers, threshers, and combine harvesters on a community-wide level may be introduced, coupled with community mobilization and capacity building. The government should also prioritize development spending on infrastructure related to health, education, drinking water, sanitation, and farm-to-market roads in these model villages to ensure the integrated and holistic development of the community. By taking a holistic, community-based approach and working closely with local organizations and leaders, these programs can be designed and implemented in a way that is effective and sustainable. With the right policies and support, these measures can help improve the lives of millions of people living in poverty and transform and modernize the Pakistani countryside. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.